Hey there, home bakers and food enthusiasts. Have you ever seen a recipe call for zero flour and wondered, what in the world is that? You're not alone. Today, we're demystifying this special ingredient. So what exactly is zero flour? Pronounced double zero. It's a type of Italian wheat flour that's incredibly finely ground. Think of it as the baby powder of the flour world, super soft and silky to the touch. In Italy, flour is classified by how finely it's milled, with being the finest grade and 2 being the coarsest. Now you might be thinking, how is this different from my regular all-purpose flour? Well, in the US, we categorize flour by its protein content, which affects how much gluten it forms. But in Italy, it's all about that grind size. While zero flour can have varying protein levels depending on the wheat used, it's its extra fine texture that really sets it apart. This fineness means it absorbs liquids differently and creates a unique dough. Why bother with it then? The superfine grind and specific gluten properties of zero flour make it perfect for creating delicate, yet strong and elastic doughs. It's the gold standard for authentic Neapolitan pizza, giving that wonderfully crisp, airy crust with a slight chew. It's also fantastic for making fresh, silky pasta that holds its shape beautifully. If you've struggled with dough tearing, zero flour can make a world of difference. While you can often substitute all-purpose flour, especially for home baking, using zero flour will elevate your pizza and pasta to a whole new level of authenticity and texture. So, next time you're aiming for that perfect Italian dish, give flour a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Subscribe for more fun facts.